To sports, well, it's Friday night, and you know what that means. It's time for some high school football. And tonight, well, starting off the night with a rivalry dating all the way back to 1972. It's Brookstone and Pacelli for the annual Battle of the Jug. The Cougars have won the past 8 meetings, but Pacelli, well, they come in undefeated at 4-0. First quarter, it's the tale of 2 scrambling quarterbacks for Pacelli. It's Wyatt Peterson driving the Vikings all the way to the Brookstone 25, but he cannot score. Cougars would take over on downs, and next up, it is Miller time. 3rd and 11, and Brookstone quarterback Miller Page taking off, and it's White Lightning. No one catching him. Brookstone going up 7-0 with 10 minutes left in the second. Now fast forward to 16 seconds left in the half. Cougars in striking distance, but oh no, DeAndre Bowman coming out of nowhere, and Bowman with the big interception. Brookstone up 1 touchdown at the half, and the streak, it would be over. Pacelli wins the battle for the Jug, 14-7 your final score. Now next up, heading across the river where Central hosts Jeff Davis, and the Devils, well, they're in dire need of a region win. Now tonight it's homecoming, and Devils looking for a win in front of the home crowd. Second quarter, Central with a commanding 17-0 lead thanks to some big plays from these guys, Travion Samuel and Kenneth Thomas. Thomas would have 2 touchdowns in the first half, and Travion Samuel, well, no one can touch him. Jeff Davis, well, nothing going right for them. Vols deep in their own territory, and a bad snap leads to a safety, and Devils up 19-0. Central looking for more, but that field goal would be no good. Central goes into the half 19-0, but 41-0 would be your final score. Central goes to 2-2 in region play. Now, meanwhile, across the area, speaking of Region 3-6A, some scores for you guys. Auburn up big over Carver Montgomery. Auburn is number 8, Carver number 9, so a big top 10 matchup there. And then Opelika up big over Lanier. They're expected to win that one. And then Russell County trying to pull an upset on number 8, Ben Russell, but it ain't happening. 42-7 in the 4th quarter. And across the river in Georgia high school scores, LaGrange beating up on the Blue Devils. LaGrange up big, 58-7 would be your final score. And Lee County, well, Hardaway can't pull off the upset against them. 26-0 would be your final score. Well, over in Braves country, it's the Braves and the Dodgers in Game 2 of the NLDS, and Braves already down 1-0 in the series, and tonight in dire need of a win. Top of the 7th, Braves cling to a 2-1 lead. Runners on the corners. Carl Crawford hits it right back at Luis Avilan. A 1-6-3 inning-ending double play. Bottom of the 7th, same score. Dodgers intentionally load the bases for Jason Hayward. He lines one up the middle, making him pay. Turner Field goes nuts. Braves go up 4-1. Top of the 8th, Hanley Ramirez. He quiets down that crowd a little bit with this one, a 2-run blast off David Carpenter, and now we've got ourselves a ball game. Braves up 4-3, and D. Gordon aboard for the Dodgers, but holy hose piece, Gerald Laird throws him out, and the rest would be all Craig Kimbrell. Braves holding on to win Game 2. 4-3 would be your final score, and series now tied at 1 apiece. So that's going to do it for sports. Sending it back to you guys.